Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into PeerStreet, an investment platform found at www.peerstreet.com. PeerStreet offers investors access to real estate debt, meaning you're essentially lending money for real estate projects, primarily short-term bridge loans. This can be an intriguing alternative investment strategy, offering potentially higher returns compared to traditional fixed-income options. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks that warrant careful consideration. Before jumping in, it's crucial to understand how PeerStreet works and the potential downsides. One key aspect of PeerStreet is its focus on short-term loans. These loans typically have terms ranging from a few months to a couple of years, secured by real estate. This shorter time frame can be appealing to investors who prefer not to tie up their capital for extended periods. PeerStreet boasts a rigorous vetting process for the loans they list on the platform, aiming to minimize risk for investors. They assess the underlying real estate, the borrower's creditworthiness, and other factors to determine the loan's viability. However, it's important to remember that no investment is entirely risk-free. Real estate markets can fluctuate, and there's always the possibility of borrowers defaulting on their loans. While PeerStreet's vetting process aims to mitigate these risks, they cannot be eliminated entirely. Diversification is key when investing in any asset class, including real estate debt. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Spread your investments across multiple loans to reduce your exposure to any single default. Furthermore, it's essential to thoroughly research any platform you're considering investing through. Read reviews, understand the fee structure, and familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions. PeerStreet provides a wealth of information on their website, outlining their investment process, risk factors, and historical performance. Take the time to thoroughly review these resources before making any investment decisions. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to discuss whether PeerStreet aligns with your overall investment goals and risk tolerance. Real estate debt can be a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio, but it's crucial to approach it with a clear understanding of the potential rewards and risks.